By now, we all have a clear vision of what impact climate change has on our planet. Pushed by the Paris Agreement, the energy transition is here to stay. But even in the best case scenario, we still have an abundance of 1,500 gigaton of CO2. It took us humans 150 years to release it, and we need to take it out as soon as possible. 1,500 gigaton is difficult to imagine, but what about this? That's the same amount as is already stored by all plants and trees on Earth right now, on land and in the oceans. Oh, and did we forget to tell? That's because nature grows from CO2. So the challenge is clear. To clean up 1,500 gigaton, we only have to double nature. True, that sure is a huge challenge, but it can still be done, and often it's even a viable business case. And people like challenges, right? This one is energizing, that's a promise. The fact is, it must be done. And the good news is, it's already happening. Let's double nature.